Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2014 BMW X5. So from any screen, you've got Nav just here, the second one back on the right. So click on Nav. If you click it again, you've then got destination input. The menu comes up, so we want destination input, and across here place and postcode, so that comes onto the rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltondale, Preston, PR. Now we need the numbers. What we need to do is turn this down to highlight the bottom there, further characters, and then we click on that. That highlights the numeric display. So it's PR5 4. It's defaulted back to letters J S, and then we click OK. There's an OK symbol in the center. That's it. We can put the street in. I don't want to put the street in and the house number. I just turn it down to start guidance. Click start guidance. That's it. Selected fast route.